Assalamualaikum. In this video I will teach you some important concepts of joins. Joins is basically used for showing the data of two different tables. Let's see. And joins are always used in queries. I will teach only inner join. You will try left join and right join. If you have any problem you can ask me in comments. Now let's see. Use ABD. Show tables. Wait, select star from. Wait, I will describe it. Describe department. So here it is ID, name and its code. And the table describe staff. Yeah, first name, ID, address, contact, qualification, department. Now I have to execute the name of the employee, its address, its contact number, its qualification, and the department in which he works. So let's see. So here there are two tables, so we will use joins. Select star select staff dot what column you want to execute, write it here as staff. Staff dot address. Staff dot qualification, comma, department table and its column name I want to execute. So let's see. From which table I used staff. Inner join I also use a table department, so I will write it here. Inner join to join two tables to execute its data. Where I will apply query where staff dot department is equal to department dot code. Oh wait, spelling mistake, I'm sorry. Department, so let's see, and it's department. So here it is. Look, I execute the name of department from department table and its staff address and qualification from staff. So this is a basic procedure of using join. You will try inner left join and right join. If you have any problem you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching my video. Go and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.